very unique outline of the hogfish, making sure not to miss this time he gets super close. But unfortunately the hogfish rips off. This is devastating. As we're looking for him, Az spots a beautiful mutton snapper. They love any commotion, and Az catches him off guard and manages to get a really nice shot.
Dude, that's one of the hardest to shoot.
Nice,
here.
man.
You crushed it. So I just found Az's hogfish upside down inside of this hole with a big Nassau grouper right in front of it. I think one of you guys goes and spears that big grouper, and then we grab that hog from right behind him. That worked out well.